Hi guys, it's Dee and welcome to Dee's Yard. Today I am adding a brand new evergreen to this garden space. This is a brand new garden bed that I started on last year. Originally all that was here was a crepe myrtle. I came in and planted some panicle hydrangeas to provide a nice backdrop along the fence. This spring I added a few perennials to this space, including a smoke bush shrub and some agastache, but I really need some winter interest, so what better way than to add a low maintenance spring blooming evergreen such as an Indian Hawthorne. This is a new disease and pest resistant Indian Hawthorne from the Southern Living Plant Collection called Clean Sweep Snowbank. Snowbank is such an awesome 4-season low maintenance plant that blooms white flowers in spring with little dark purple berries to follow. No pruning needed as it only reaches 2 to 3 feet tall and 3 to 4 feet wide with a dense mounding growth habit. This really makes an excellent option for foundation planting near your house, especially under windows. It does best in full sun conditions in zones 7A to 10B. Snowbank is salt tolerant as well as drought tolerant once established. This is not a plant I will have to hook up to drip irrigation. If you're needing a slightly larger shrub than Snowbank, Southern Living Plant Collection also has another disease-resistant variety in the Clean Sweep series called Spring Sonata. I've had this Indian Hawthorne Spring Sonata planted here for about 1.5 years now, and it hasn't skipped a beat. Even with the hard freeze we got this March, I've had shrubs rated down to a zone 4 take a big hit, and this zone 7 Spring Sonata had no signs of damage or stress. It does get larger than Snowbank, reaching around 4 feet tall and 5 feet wide. For planting, I'm going to dig a hole 2 to 3 times the width of the root ball, but no deeper than the root ball height. I have clay soil, so I'm just going to mix in some pine bark soil conditioner, but if you have a sandy soil, then just mix in compost 50-50. After I place my plant in the hole, I just want to make sure that it's sitting 1 to 2 inches above the soil grade, which it is, and then I just backfill. When mulching, just make sure that you're not covering anything around the stem. The last step is to water the plant in thoroughly and deeply, and even though this Indian Hawthorne is drought tolerant, we do want to make sure that we're checking on it at least for the first year. Anytime it's dry, it needs to be watered. I'm very excited because not only did I add an evergreen element to this garden bed to create winter interest, but it flowers, it sets berries, and it's low maintenance. That is a win-win in my book. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye guys.